Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to extend RAM on Samsung Galaxy S25. To do so, go to the settings, then scroll all the way down until you find device care. Now, you should be able to go into your memory. And then, as you can see, I have 12 GB of built-in memory, but there's also the RAM Plus, which you can enable or disable. By default, it's enabled to 8 GB. That means that it uses your storage drive for so-called swap memory and stores some RAM data in that swap file, even if the physical RAM is occupied. So you can just enable or disable that. After enabling, disabling or changing the value, you'll need to restart your phone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.